Unya ban. No homework. Oh, I subject bay. I went to me own. Oh, my mix my man, we didn't know be English. Go 10. Go 10. Say go 10.
I don't understand.
Go 10. Kodu ID fruit. Kodu go 10. Yeah.
You are not serious.
Hey! Who you woman?
How can you tell me apple is bad?
Apple is bad because pineapple is
bad.
Go 10. Kodu is good. Ada obi pla sem me go plan man.
Yeah, obi fla ko ti abia no pla ade.
Ada me plan ma kase ma ko head bo na effectivity.
Era
we dey. Ana fa mo.
Ya fa me catch le.
Make it go na. Unu pla.
Yo. Unu pla. Catch le. Di wo chia.
Unu pla na.
Ye do a chia ko pem serious.
Ma catch. Wo de muni be cham hadi. Ani me plan na me di bo me like.
Na mo catch le be.
Me cham me plan so. For life. This is my camera day. Hey, no be a pretty body on left. I'm going to make a job. Air Force.
The other flowers here, baby, I'm going to plan. I can't say.
I didn't play me. We play me one now. Okay, let me jump with the movie. Also, I'm going to give you one. And I'm going to be mango.
And I had it to us.
Maybe come on, Bago to want me to say, Nana has a pat, bomb it, and a muja side of a couple of sides. And not say one of the way. What was that story? Mamma storyline. I didn't know the story in the way. When I just saw it, the market may say, only the one I bought me and a black. Miss Remo, Rebecca Sabia, because I'm Italia.
Oh, what?
Who by Jedon you? Fine.
I never catch you.
Better close.
Jamu. Catch there.
The baby peer by pen plabasso, I'm in prayer, and you'll be the prayer. Oh, Honamana.
I am
Honam.
I am Honam.
I am Honam.
That I see you.
Back with you, see, look up in ball and enemy play. Simple. What was my catch? Is it what I didn't my catch me would make you say the many with this Yakasa.
Who peer be a no plaba. The cat in a film or so better.
When I have so to man Pierre Gamba, will you be
over? I cut that quab, but now it's
and your just a UT. You go play by and Shabbo.
And you'll be out.
Because we shall want to wish a come on.
Maybe I shall come
you. That's a good idea. Mumma Hono. What's it? Most of them have been fighting for Madame Conan.
Madame, my hair mouth.
She said, "Me, I said, only to go see.
I don't know.
Say, maybe yes, I may quarrel to bomb me. I am granted a mangono and I want to bomb me. That's how grand you see me coffee on Mokotuna. Mokotuna. Senator, maybe I should be not to bomb me. Mokotuna. I a mango, I sounds if you know. Are you on Ezekiel Mona? If you know, I want our quantity. What about bombing? Mokotuna. Best out of my coffee coolers, I'm going to go chasing. Best out of you know, make a coolers. Miss Sumia, can say, Sumia. Who was you should see me now? Ooh, you never tell me.
Son. Homework, no, you. Hey, my you. Went to be an shit. Cut her off.
Okay, over. What will be able to go by Magda? Oh, will be able to tell you.
Plan.
As you move away,
you can feel homework.
walk over my animal. One of my father, when I mean, what day? Me, brother, my base and I said, black. Family, my dear. How can we blessing? Blessing. A blab, pan, you're a chummy. That's what told you more. What have I ever? Yeah. Army. And I said, English. Not English. What did I be? Technology. She grab me. Why? She grab me not a clergy. Why? When your mother, thank you, my plan.
Ah.
Missy, my plan, are they?
Now, I will
at a born in Bobbers and I affect him again, me face and me blame and I ask our bombers and I'm into me, and I'm yes, and me, young Muchazo, who am I meeting me?
About the intro, be
meeting me, Yadi. Who's my plan?
About to a plan to me, oh my. Ah,
what's your way? Hello. Yeah, baby. I say. Hello, go sit down, Miyako. Hey, Miyako, Monte. Huh? Who will take one out and I will take good. Oh, me, Yashi, I can be Bia. Unyaban. No homework. Oh, I subject by English and tree. And that went to me young. Now what goes away. Oh, my mix my man, but they never be English. Oh, English. I might be English, Spanish, literature, I'm say good punch. Because one chain moving by man is here. Also, me, man, you go back as my Bena Quatia Sama, Numination, Satamano. Mate, me back. Cousin Base here, one chain by. Bye bye. I love you. I never say what it is.
Papa. Slay homework. I ordered to
May
no come baby. Of a Jajani at home common. Go your homework and more be a brow office yet. Yes, I said to your homework. What's on you? I acquire that has been be and now I mistake. I'm not correct. Also, maybe yeah, so yeah, classes may I mistake or they're correct.
Maybe I'm not a young.
Maybe
I'm not a young. Not what was one to do. Are because who wouldn't my go school?
Wow, I'm a swamp. Well, quack will you be homework, come on. Oh, the English, go on, the improvement my way. Wow, oh, and the sort of a club was I have a 2 hours. Who is that? Come in. Come in. Come in.
Good afternoon. Yeah, good afternoon. Yeah.
And by the way, what's the machine?
Yeah. As you get up. In our tray, Menini, Mena class, I say, but you need to sit down and cassette get up. So let's say, please, Sole.
Please get up.
As you get up. Okay. Please,
by the way, what's the machine here?
Pardon?
What's the machine here?
A mission house. Hey, Roma mission house will be feeling town now.
Okay, there were ha.
Come straight, Mamma, and just yes, I'll come missions. How do you bed and then they Roma mission of my cousin. I come myself. Which is that? Sisters, Captain said, you say your homework. Your class teacher don't come, so me make your homework, no. Yeah. Mission house, no.
Can you do it?
Me? One time ago. Me complete school 13 years ago. Don't get the senior high school. 2011 batch. I can teach you much more grab surprise. Yeah.
I'm sure you're not blowing your trumpet.
Blow trumpet. Blow. Everybody blow your trumpet. Pa-na-na-na-na-na-na. Blow your trumpet. Pa-na-na-na-na. Everybody. That trumpet, yeah. You have trumpet here. Me school now, me see trombone. Do, mi, so, follow. That, no. No like it.
I mean, once a wunja when you dear,
Hey. Listen. Say, yeah, do what you do. I'm here to be a fool. I'm going to be a trumpet here, sharp trumpet. Everybody blow a trumpet. Why? I can do it. I've met me a one my homework. Why?
By the way, why are you holding your occupant?
Holding my occupant.
Yeah.
Occupation, occupy now, octopus. Me also occupation. Oxymoron. Octopus. That way, no. Me then some octopus then some holding where.
I didn't know also what you call.
Gee! One go school this time, power your home. Hey! 2011 batch, seriously. Before the end, show me that. Occupant. Can you spell occupant for me?
Hey.
Can you?
Please, by the way, teach me.
Yeah, I will do it. Where's the marker? Marker. Thank you.
Take over.
I'll take over. Can you get closer? Sit here for me. Today you teach me different language. Blow trumpet. Last time you teach me follow and padding. This time I know occupant. That's what you call and blow your trumpet.
Teach me.
Okay, sorry. The heading is
Translate these words to English or Chi.
Yeah, but in this all rushes. Maybe can we both translate these words to English or Chi? Meaning, Nakambakana also can hear. Yeah, so we chin here. Fasanse Fuano call Brofu and I Chimewa. Just you get it. Good. So, first word NSUO. NSUO.
This common word, you can't pronounce it.
Tree another English.
Tree.
Tree the better. Me name come on me. N. Insuo. Come for yourself. Pa. Hey, insuo. So insuo bro for the home. Insuo. Drink water.
Good.
Right water there. Correct, right water. Say me try the option. Water. Water.
Please write it.
Water. Ka W no na da kana say. W
ATER.
ATER. Yeah, water. Water me try no me kan yanchi. Second letter MOUTH. Muffler. Mouth. MOUT. Say I fancy better first one water. I really a mouth. Yeah. So mouth. Tree name of mouth. My head, miti. My shoulder, my betty. My eye, my knee. My nose, my honey. My mouth, mano. Good. Time for yourself. Pa. Hey. Yeah. I know. Yeah, I know the three letters. Beat me. I know. Mr. Ano. Yeah.
Okay.
Number 3. KEC or I. Is it C? K what?
And
I make as I say, I'm trained and I'm a trainer as I quay. What do I do? Kodu. That's a rhyme scheme. Kodu. English name for Kodu. Kodu. Anka orange. Pawpaw bofre. Kodu is a fruit. Kodu jaba. So kodu jaba mwa. Kodu jaba. Good. Kodu, yeah. Go. 10. Go 10. Say go 10.
I don't understand.
Go 10. Kodu ID fruit. Kodu go 10. Yeah.
You are not serious.
Kodu. Let me explain. I have to explain to you. So Kodu. Okay, Kodu is go. Is a go. And 10. Do Kodu.
Banana. What of apple? Please tell me.
Confuse me, because that means say Bianca, Kodu no. Once you go, and I do 10. Do back 11 to 10. Kodu go 10. Banana.
Mr. Apple.
You do apple.
In tree.
Apple in tree. Okay. I think I in so water. This one, if I write, I know as you write. Math, I know. Kodu, banana, apple, pineapple, abrobe, apple, B, yeah, B, apple is called be. Clap for me and let's write it. Let's go. Are
you serious?
I'm serious. Why are you not serious? Apple is be.
Did you say you have completed school?
2011, John Cant Senior High School. Me, Shalom Standard Schools, JHS.
You are not serious.
Me, no do 4 letters.
The same apple.
Apple don't have tree name, eh?
Yeah.
No, I don't understand. The thing is, listen to me. If you go fruit, there's something called pineapple. You know pineapple? Pineapple. If pineapple is abrobe, then the pine is abro, and the apple is be. So it's be pineapple. If you divide the pineapple for me, yeah, that's why. So you are wrong. So you
are not serious.
You are wrong, mother. You are wrong because it's be.
I am not wrong.
Why should you apple? Because pineapple is abrobe, apple is be, pineapple is abro.
Oh my God.
Oh my God! What? Oh my God! You tell me, oh my God, me go to school 2011, Salon Standard School, and also 2013. You're not telling me say me wrong. You're not the senior high school 2013. Pardon. So the teacher says me chat to the blood on young quiet. Who's our customer chat quiet? See any message of coin. Go down the Ayaka. And my young woman was I didn't mayor. I was met
Mr. Man, please come back.
Come back.
Yeah.
Me come back again. You get different homework for me. I'll do for you. This one, give me maths. I'll do it for you.
Today.
I'm
going to treat you like a student and a teacher.
You treat me like a student and a teacher?
Yes.
You student, me teacher? Yeah, so no problem. That's fine. Yeah.
Just wait for me here.
I'll
be right back.
Okay, short commercial break. Go and come, Don't keep long.
Okay.
Like TV3, go commercial break, you come back. Bring water when you're coming, eh? I'm from the time today. Okay. Oh. Don't go out, oh! What are you doing? You lock the door for what?
Yeah, I locked
You lock the door. Why lock the door? Me go right now, finish go.
Because I told you I'm going to treat like a student and a teacher.
So you the student, me the teacher. Yeah, nice to meet you. So go. Wait for you again. Turn your back.
Turn your back.
For what reason turn your back now?
Turn your back.
10.
Just give me a second.
That's all going. Now, Beth here.
I'm gonna beat you.
For what reason you beat me? Beat me for what? What you do beat me? Me have to beat you because you got wrong. You got wrong. 1, 2, 3.
I have set up this test already.
So you know you can't test me, right?
I have set up don't make me beat you.
You can't talk. Watch my face. You talk. You don't watch my. Watch side and side. Watch my face. Talk to me.
I will make my sister leave you.
Do what?
Leave.
If I don't do what?
Wait, if you don't make me beat you.
Beat you? Yeah. Me not do anything. What have I done for you to beat me?
Turn your back.
Why? Why do you want to beat me?
If you don't turn your back, I will tell my sister that you're an illiterate.
Look, I teach you something. I teach you 4 words. What wrong did I do?
Turn your back.
I turn. Hey!
Hey! Oh, shit!
No.
You have not seen it yet.
I'm mature. Homework. You have not
seen it yet, so I am the ungodly. Turn your back!
Man, you see the man. Hey! Who you woman?
How can you tell me Apple is bad?
Apple is bad because pineapple is
And
apple.
Kodu is
Good 10. Kodu is good. I will do this again. Please, I'm sorry.
Leave it!
I won't do it again. Next time I will say.
I will tell my sister to leave you.
Hey, please, next time I
Let
will
me
say.
meet
Kodu
you.
is banana. Kodu is banana.
Now I want your back. Now I want your back.
Amma.
I want your back. I want your back. Move your hands.
I get it.
Put your hands
Please,
beside
I'll put it down. Apple is bad. No, apple is apple.
Like this.
Kodu is Kodu.
Like this.
Yeah, yes.
I said like this.
Okay, good. Yeah, I do it. Okay.
Next time, a teacher like you, why can't you just teach me this simple thing?
Yeah. I see the other woman can I tell you 1 + 1 2, 2 + 2 4. Man, about you. Be, mommy.
Yeah, great.
Be, I'm okay. So open. I'm going. I'll go. Thank you. Nice to meet you.
Next time, learn before you come.
I didn't
Not
learn.
to put sense in your head.
It's impromptu. It's impromptu. Listen, it's impromptu. Me get a call once I come. I didn't learn. I'm sorry. I will learn when I come. I promise.
I think some.
Yeah, it's very well. Let me go, please. Please let me go. Let me go. I won't come here again to teach you again. I won't come. I won't come again. I won't come again. I won't come and do homework again. I promise. If your sister, it's a trap.
It's a trap. I set you.
It's a trap.
That's why I told you that I'm the ogre in this.
I won't come here again. Your sister or home, I won't come again. I promise.
I promise.
Be faithful.